How to fix iPhone voicemail not working. If your voicemail is not working on iPhone running iOS 18, then follow these troubleshooting steps in order. First of all you have to do is open the settings app from your home screen. Voicemail requires a stable cellular signal, so ensure that your airplane mode is off. Or you can simply toggle on and turn it off for 10 seconds, and once done so, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button plus volume button until you see the power slider appear on your screen. Slide to power off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. A quick reboot can often resolve voicemail glitches on your device. After that, in the Settings app, scroll and tap on the General option available in there. Inside General, all you have to do is tap on the Software Update and tap on the Update option available there and update it to the latest version. Once updated, all you have to do is go to the Settings General again. Then scroll down till the bottom, and there you'll get to see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset, then tap on the Reset Network Settings. This can fix voicemail and other network related bugs. You will need to re enter Wi Fi passwords after this. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.